This is GlobalSpec, your go-to platform for industrial parts and equipment searches. Easily filter by specifications, value ranges, and more. Utilize our engineering AI assistant to quickly find solutions and standards. Stay informed with industrial articles and news. Join our daily webinars for insights into technical challenges and solutions. Explore our extensive reference library filled with endless information and tools. Connect with peers through our social community channels to network, share, and support each other. Discover GlobalSpec like the 8.6 million people who already have.